Hello again, my name is Hechan Sungwapich, and let me tell you about a little bit how my lesson work. So my class is personalized depending on the student goal. Some students want to improve their conversations or skill, and some want a better pronunciations, and others want to build a confidence when speaking. In our lesson, we can practice like natural conversations, pronunciation and fluency, grammar in a simple way and practical way, and real life situation just examples like travel, work, or daily community. I also like to make a lessons interactive. So you won't just study, you actually practice speaking a lot. If you are nervous about speaking, don't worry. Many of my students feel that way at first. And my job is to help you feel comfortable and confident. I also do a personal trainer in real life. As a personal trainer, I understand the discipline and progress. So I use the same mindset to help my students improve their language skill step by step. And learning language is take time. The same thing with going to work out. But with consistency and the right support, you will improve. So if you're ready to start improving your speaking, book a lesson with me and I will be happy to help you on your journey. See you on my lesson. Chúc